everyone, Uncle Jessy here. Let's see what kind of crazy 3D printing deals we can find today over at Costco. Costco is easily one of my favorite stores to shop at. You end up buying things in bulk, which means you're spending a little bit more money, but in the long run, you end up saving money. And today, we're gonna see what kind of crazy things I can find in there related for 3D printing. I previously bought a whole bunch of different things for my workshop, so I figured today we'll probably find some other goodies. So immediately when I walked in, the first thing I saw was something that I had been specifically looking for and just posted about on Twitter, which is an SSD, an external hard drive, specifically for storing my STL files. It's just getting out of hand, and I needed something quick and easy that I can work with, that I can move from machine to machine. And these were on sale for $100, and it has really fast read and write speeds, and it should work perfectly for my needs, and it's 1 terabyte in size, so it should be able to store a good amount of STL files, or at least a handful of Patreons out there. The next item that I didn't actually pick up because I own last year's model is this Razer Bundle. It's $100. It was a $70 off, and it comes with a mouse, keyboard, mouse pad, and headphones. Not exactly 3D printing related, but if you're in the market for some good tech deals here, that's a fantastic one to pick up that I use daily. Also, if you're selling 3D prints online, you're gonna need tape, and this is exactly where I grab all my tape from. It's from Costco, and I picked up another whole rack of these tape rolls here, and it's a pretty affordable price compared to what you can find over on Amazon. Also, if you're printing order receipts, this is a great place to find reams of paper. I picked up a whole rack here for $7.50. Here's one that I ended up buying last week because it was on sale. Right now, it's $130. It's this Winix air purifier. It has charcoal filters, and it comes with 2 additional filter that you can replace it with. This is perfect for my workshop here where I'm using lots of resin 3D printers, and I was just a little bit concerned about the quality of air and the space there while I'm working without just having my window open constantly. Costco also sells fire extinguishers, and it's a really good price point at $37 for a full-size fire extinguisher, which is significantly cheaper than what I can find over at Lowe's or Home Depot. They also sell smaller ones as well if you wanted one just for individual workstations. Costco also has a great selection of LED lights, which are perfect for any of your print space areas, especially if you're working with resin 3D printers. I ended up using this one right here for my overhead light in my studio space when I'm not actually recording, and it has no impact on my resin 3D prints. I also picked up this longer one for my actual workshop area, which is perfect. It's all motion light sensor activated as well, which is just a fantastic way that you don't have to worry about flipping on or off your light switches. And again, pretty good price point. I'm not personally interested in this right now, but I know a lot of folks like these, which are Wi-Fi outlets. It's a 3-pack for $24 or $25 that Costco sells. Again, just a great deal if you're in the market for one. Perfect for controlling your 3D printers when you're in other rooms or on the go from your phone. Here's one that I've been buying every time I come to Costco, just about for the past handful of weeks now. It's a 150 pack of disposable gloves. You can't beat this deal at, I think it's 14 or 15 bucks. It's cheaper than what you can find over at Harbor Freight as well, and you end up getting more gloves. It's just a better bang for your buck. Costco also sells blue painter's tape, which to be honest, this is a good price point for some rolls of blue painter's tape, but I prefer the wider options if you're planning on using this on your print beds. If you're just using it to mask off prints for painting, then this is a fantastic buy. Not 3D printing related at all, but Costco sells some really great Lego sets at a deeper discounted price than what you can find over at Target or Amazon. Costco always has a good selection of storage bins, and this time I ended up finding one that has gaskets in the lids and only $10.50. It's a decent sized bin. I would have honestly preferred it to be a lot larger for storing a lot more filament rolls, but it's something that you could consider if you're interested in trying to keep your filament dry. I was really excited to see that Costco has these really heavy duty storage racks back in stock. These are what I use in my printing spaces. I have 2 of them. Unfortunately, it's priced at $200. I ended up getting these for $130 a year ago and the year previously, so you might want to hold out and see if they go on sale, but again, not always in stock, so it's something that you'll have to play a little bit of risk and reward for. But I ended up buying this cheaper storage shelf since it's under $100, and it allows you to use it as a storage shelf or as a workshop desk area. Very excited to get that one set up. Speaking of storage shelves, I needed some shelf liner because I needed to put all of my resin up there, and I don't want it to get all gunked up, so I grabbed these cabinet liners, which are on sale for $15. Pretty good price point, which should hopefully keep everything nice and clean when it comes to storing my resin. If you're doing resin 3D printing, you need a lot of paper towels, and this is where I grab all of my paper towels from. I just grabbed a whole nother big bundle. It's $17 for 12 rolls. They're big, heavy-duty rolls that do last quite a while, and you can break them off into those individual individual little sections. In my previous Walmart video, I mentioned how I like buying the large garbage cans. Well, Costco is where I end up buying all the garbage bags. 20 bucks, you get a ton of garbage bags, and it should last you a really long time. And the last one I have for you is IPA. You can actually grab this at Costco as well. Might not be the best price point, and it's only 70%. I think I've seen higher grade here at the store, but this is what they had on hand today. It's $4.40 for the two 32 fluid ounce bottles of IPA. Again, you might be able to find better deals somewhere else, but if you're in a pinch, this is a great place to grab it in bulk. So that's what I was able to find in today's shopping video. I did want to say thank you to Elgu for sponsoring today's video, the makers of the Mars 3, the Mars 2, the Standard Mars, the Neptune 2, and those amazing wash and cure units. I'll be using a lot of the products that I picked up in today's video directly with those printers, and really looking forward to getting that storage shelf set up so I have a better way to manage my resin, as well as holding all of those Mars 3D printers. If you're interested in finding out more information about Elgu's products, you'll find links down below. Thanks again to Elgu for sponsoring today's video. I did also want to say a big thank you to all my Patreon supporters. If you're interested in finding out more information about my Resin 3 printing settings as well as my support settings, you'll find links down below to my Patreon where you can help support me make videos like this here on the channel. Keep in mind, when it comes to Costco, things come and go very rapidly, and once they sell out, they typically sell out until the next year, which is the not so great part about shopping at Costco. So if you see that good deal, grab it. But let me know in the comments what you guys thought about today's Costco shopping haul video. If there's anything that you would have picked up that I missed, let me know in the comments below. Hey, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.
They also sell some of the best chocolate chip cookies, but I'm not getting any today.